Begin by pointing your toes and think about lengthening from your hips all the way down through the tips of your toes, and press this part of your back into the floor. Think about pressing that down. Raise your arms up so that they're above your legs, palms are facing each other. And with stretch pose, at the same time, you're going to lift your heels 6 inches off the floor and lift your head so that you're looking at your toes, and begin breath of fire. Beautiful. Now, if you'd like to make some modifications with this, you can lower one heel down to the floor, but give yourself some time here so that you're feeling some of the challenge, the stress on your nervous system with this. And then when you're ready, you can switch heels. And even giving yourself a pause in between like Savitri did with both heels up off the floor. Another option would be to lower your heels to the floor, but to continue to keep your head lifted so that you're looking at your toes, keeping that breath nice and strong. Good, and then inhale deeply, hold the posture, exhale, and relax down.